Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tone Setter. Today we're doing a clean low ball taper, wavelength, and attention to every single detail. Stick around. I'm dropping pro tips that will level up your game, whether you're in a shop or just getting started at home. Let's get into it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, so first let's get a full 360 of what we're working with. Notice the crown and natural wave pattern and some of that uneven bulk. We're starting with a number 2 guard with the grain, lever open, starting at the crown. Always show respect to the crown. It's one of those tricky spots that'll bite you if you're not careful. I start open, then gradually close for a clean, even cut. Always follow the wave pattern. Use a handheld mirror or record the crown for your client to review. This creates trust and a sense of collaboration. Next up, we drop to the 1.5 guard, still with the grain. Start with the lever open, then close it as you move towards the hairline and sides. This is your prep stage for that crispy lineup later, so pay attention to the edges and front area. If you feel the vibe, hit that like button, greatly appreciated. Now let's get surgical. We're going with a low ball taper. Set a clean symmetrical ball guideline using just the trimmer. Next, clipper no guard. Start with the lever open, then gradually close. Now with your number 1 guard, lever closed, go up 1/2 to 1 inch. This creates space for the 1/2 guard. Flick out and use corners. Keep it symmetrical. Don't chase perfection, chase consistency. Now with the 1.5 guard, blend it all into the original number 2 length on top. Open to close, cut both with and against the grain and stubborn spots. Time for the back, same process, but here's the twist. Direction matters more than anything here. Go in the opposite direction of the hair growth for that even look. Tapers should feel soft, not forced. Trimmers aren't always necessary. Your clipper can do the heavy lifting with finesse. Go back with the number 1 guard to clean up and hit the details. Control your fade. Don't let the fade control you. Now we start lining up. This is where art meets skill. Don't push and let the trimmer do the work. Now we're going to arch around the ear, C-cups, vertical bars, and front line. Start center, work outwards. Always start in the middle, work left, then meet the right. Symmetry is king. Using your half guard, this is your magic blend. Flick out and control pressure. Use corners, always, especially in the taper. Now we bring out the hot foam and hot towel. This is more than detail work. This is self-care. Razor the front line, vertical bars. Hit the beard with light taps. Keep it natural for that sharp, locked-in finish. Now doing the final touches. Clipper no guard. This is the final touch pass. Hit those last wild hairs, tap the front one last time. This wasn't just a haircut, this was confidence restored. To every barber out there, you're not just cutting hair, you're shaping lives. And to everyone watching, whether you're in the chair or behind the clippers, know this, you belong in this community. Drop a comment where you're watching from. If you learned something or felt something, tap that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a transformation. See you in the next one.